Hello everybody, welcome in Math Science Hub. In previous video, we understand the distance formula in coordinate geometry to find the distance between 2 points. Today also we understand the distance formula, some more applications. This is the question number 7 of NCERT books class 10. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. We know that any point which lies x-axis is the coordinate is x0. The y coordinate is 0 on x-axis. So point x0 is point on the x-axis equals to x0. By the question, x0 is equidistance from this and this. So we write here distance between x0 and 2 minus 5 is equals to distance between x0 and minus 2 9. Now we using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root both sides. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Putting the value 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0 whole square at left hand side. Now right hand side minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. You see here square root both sides, so to eliminate square root we square both the sides. Now square root is eliminate 2 minus x square. Formula a minus b whole square we done in 9th class. A is 2, b is x. 2 square minus 2 a b plus b square means x square. Minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5 square. Here again minus a is minus 2 and b is x. Minus 2 square minus 2ab. 2 minus 2 multiply x plus x square. 9 minus 0 is 9 square. 2 square is 4. 2 2 the 4x plus x square minus 5 square is 25. Minus 2 square is 4. You see very carefully, minus multiply minus. Minus minus is plus. 2 to the 4 x plus x square plus 9 square is 81. Now all the variables put this side minus 4x plus x square. Here plus 4x is come this side and minus 4x. X square is this side and minus x square. Here 4 plus 81 plus 4 is going right hand side, minus 4 plus 25 going right hand side, minus 25. Now you see x square plus x square minus is cancelled, minus 4x is minus 8x plus 4 minus 4 is cancelled, 81 minus 25, we get 56. So x equals to 56 upon minus 8, divide 8 7 ja 56 minus. So the value of x is minus 7. So point on x axis, x0 is minus 7 comma 0. This is the answer. So when the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from this is minus 7 0, if the point on y-axis, then x coordinate 0 and the coordinate of the point on the y-axis is 0 comma y. So this question is from x-axis, so take the point on the x-axis is x comma 0, and using the distance formula both sides, to eliminate square root, we square both the side, then transposing variable this side, non-variable this side, and find the value of x. Question number 8. Find the value of y for which the distance between the point P2 minus 3 and 10y is 10 units. In this question, given 2 points P and Q and distance between is 10 units. So also we using the distance formula. Distance between two minus 3 and 10 comma y is 10. Given using the distance formula, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, using the distance formula. 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus y1 is minus 3, so this minus is multiply this minus plus 3 whole square equals to 10. 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus, here use the identity a minus b whole square, which we use in previous question also. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Value of a is y, value of b is 3. Y square plus minus 2y into 3 plus 3 square. See, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to 10. We remove the square root, so squaring both the sides. When we squaring both the side, this square root is removed from left hand side and square in right hand side. 8 square is 64 plus y square, 2 3s are 6y plus 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100. Y square minus 6y, 64 or 9 is 73. 100 comes left hand side, minus 100 equals to 0. Now this is from a quadratic equation. Y square minus 6y minus 27 is 0. Using middle term splitting method, divide minus 6y in two parts. Y square minus 9y plus 3y minus 27 equals to 0. 9 3s are 27 and minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So pairing to y common in this and in this 3 is common. Solving this side, common here, common is y and y minus 9 and common is 3y minus 9 and equals to 0. So this is the common factor y minus 9 and here y plus 3 equals to 0. So here we get, this is the quadratic equation, so we get the two values of y. First value from y minus 9 equals to 0, therefore y equals to 9. And second value y plus 3 equals to 0, therefore y equals to minus 3. So y equals to 9 and y equals to minus 3 is the two value we get in this question. So you see very carefully, when the distance is given between any 2 points, this is from a equation and solve the equation by middle term splitting method or any other method we read in quadratic equations chapter. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point 3 6 and minus 3 4. So you see here in this question that point xy is equidistant from 3 6 and minus 3 4 and we find the relation between them. So write down the answer in first. Distance between 3 6 and xy is equal to distance between 3 4 minus and xy. Now we using the distance formula because relation given xy between from the distance is equidistance x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 is x minus 3 whole square plus y2 is y minus 6 whole square. x2 is x and x1 is minus 3, so minus minus is plus 3 and y2 is y minus 4. In distance formula, the square root is both sides, left hand side, right hand side. To remove the square root, squaring both the sides. Square both sides and the square root is removed from both the sides. Now we using the identities a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square both the sides. Here we write the identity a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now we using minus, we write down here minus and here is minus. X square minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus 3 square plus y square minus 2y multiplied by 6 plus 6 square. In the right hand side, x square plus 2x multiply 3 plus 3 square and plus y square minus 2y multiplied by 4 plus 4 square. Solve this. X square 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square is 9, y square 2 6s are 12 minus 12y plus 6 square is 36. Right hand side x square plus 6x plus 3 square is 9 plus y square minus 2 4 ja 8y plus 4 square is 16. So you see here x square plus y square in both the sides and same sign, it is cancelled. Any number which comes in both sides and same sign, cancel it. Y square is cancelled. Here plus 9. Here also plus 9 is cancelled. You see minus 6x minus 12y plus 36. And here plus 6x minus 8y plus 16. Minus 6x minus 12y. Here 6x in light 6x 8y transposing plus 8y equals to 16. 36 going to right hand side minus 36 minus 6 is minus 12x minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4y and 16 minus 30 is minus 20. Be common in left hand side 4. We take common minus 4 left hand side. 4 3s are 12x, 3x, 4 1s are 4y plus y. This is sign plus comes because we common minus sign, so minus minus plus and minus 20 in right hand side. 3x plus y equals to minus 20 upon minus 4, because minus 4 is multiplying left hand side, so then it comes in right hand side in given the divide. Minus minus is cancelled, so we get 3x plus y equals to 4 5 ja 20. This is the relation between x and y. So when we find a relation between x and y or such any other variable that equidistant from the points, using distance formula and put the value, and very carefully using the identities which we use in this a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and then cutting both the sides same numbers or same signs and transposing and find the relation. So you see and write down very carefully these two steps. And now we common here minus, so minus minus is plus, and this minus 4 is come right side and then in divide. So in this video we complete the exercise 7.1 from NCERT books class 10. You like it, share it, subscribe it, and done all the questions very carefully, examples very carefully, and queries you give us to motivate us. So this is the end of the session.